It's a car made out of rubber band, a piece of
piece of flip-flops cut out for tires.
Piece of flip-flops cut out for tires, and radio piece right here. Mr. Thangog here is a really good mechanic with wires. And 4 batteries. And a rotator wheel. Very cool. And 10.
And 10. Just pieces of 10. Wanna make it go? Look at there. So this is what Chase and Thangod have been doing all day.
Which way will it go?
Orphan, no.
Orphan.
Orphan, move.
Wait, roll it, do it.
Leave it, just take it.
Wait, I know, I want to see something.
The battery you are not carrying.
Put it right here on the soft. You'll see us in a little while when it's completely done. Turn